welcome back to my channel. I like to show you my latest project, Strawberry Lane. Stay tuned. Okay, this time I made a folio, a single folio, and I used Strawberry Lane, my own paper collection, and this is the end size. Let me tell you, it's an 8/1/4 by an 8/1/4, and it's 2 inches thick. And let me show you first the front cover. Look how cute this little girl is. We have a basket and we have another ornament cut out. A nice thick bouquet. I used 3 ribbons. This is a paper cut out. And then I used some jute for the spine. And then the back. So cute. I love these images. Totally in love with them. And yep, pretty thick, as you can see. Let's open this up. So we have 2 pages, not any binding system. That's a folio. We don't have any binding system for the pages. We just have made 2 pages. So on the inside I decorated this with some nice solid paper collection, cut out some strawberries. So let's go to the first page. Let me unwrap this first. So we have 2 swing tabs made with just chipboard. This opens up, this goes down. Here we have a nice picture and a nice tag inside. And that closes down. And then we have another one on this side with a nice tag inside. This closes down, then this opens up, and this is nice, a nice little tuck spot with a little note card inside. And then same thing on here with a little note card inside. And then of course in the middle is a big pocket. So cute. This is a cut apart from the cover, and then a nice big tag where you still can add a picture on if you want. And then this closes down. And then this opens up. And here I decorated with some leftover pages like it. And then we have a very cute image with some fairies on it. And I made a little tuck spot behind so you can write something down here. Back in. Then we have a swing tab that opens up this one, place for photo if you like, and a nice big pocket inside with another cute little girl. And then this closes down with these sewing tabs. And then here is a big pocket with a nice curl again. So cute, so cute. And this is a nice paper clip, which is a very cute little charm on. And then this goes back in. There we go. And then this flips up again. And here we created a nice photo frame page with beautiful papers, if I may say so. Then we have two pockets right here. And this tag is inside. And this one. Super cute. Then this flips down. And I have to move up this a little bit. Here we have a tuck spot again. You can write something down. And a big pocket with this tag inside. And here is a nice charm added on. Love. Super cute. Then we go to the middle of the page. Here is a little tuck spot. You still can add your photo completely underneath if you want. And then this flips to the right. And a nice photo frame. And also on the left. Just be in frame. And then a nice big pocket with again a nice paper clip with again a nice charm on it. And I just added a little tag on. Okay, that's, oh yeah, that was not planned, of course. There we go. Oh, wait just a sec. Okay, fixed. I was not aware that this could easily go from here. I was not aware of that, but let's stay it on. Okay, so let's close this all down. Then this goes down, and here we have again nice decoration page. Difficult to show on camera, but very nice. You still can write something down or add a little picture down below, but most of the time it's just decoration. Then we have a waterfall, which I did not put anything inside because you can decorate that yourself or add a picture on. That's normally where a waterfall is supposed to be for. And a little pocket right here. And that's the same thing here. Nice little waterfall. And again, a nice pocket below. And then it's not all. We still have a big pocket at the bottom with a nice big booklet, which you can still add loads of things inside. And then this flips back and back. That was page 1. Let's go to this page. Okay, my other page is with this closure. And this opens up. Here we have a nice pocket. And on the other side also a nice pocket. Oh, my nose is so itchy. There we go. Then we have a big pocket right here. Love this decoration. So cute. Really like it. And then, yep. Just using leftover pieces makes it sometimes so darn cute. Put this back in. Then we have 2 sewing tabs. Flips it this way. And a nice photo frame. And we have a photo frame right here. Also, oh, my nose is so itchy. Okay. Then we have a nice I'm distracted right here. A nice image. And we have another nice frame for adding a picture or write something down. Then we have two little pockets. Super cute with the ribbons and the bows. So cute with the pink one. And then this closes back up. And then this flips to the right. Here we have added a nice big tag. Love this. Super cute. And then this flips to the right again. Just some leftover page. And then here is a nice decoration page, but I could not resist adding a little tag inside also. But with adding so much stuff, it's a very thick project. But that's what we love, don't we? Okay, then we have a pocket here with a nice tag inside. I also have a little tuck spot right here to make a note. And this flips to the left. Here I created 3 little pockets with 3 little tags inside, but you still can write something down on the back. And it says cuteness, yummy and strawberry pie. Then I have another waterfall with 5x7 size. Some nice decorations. So cute. Love it. And here I created a little tuck spot with a little note. You can write something down. Tutti frutti, this says. Here is a little tuck spot. Decoration with leftover pages, leftover pieces. And here is a nice page. I did not put anything on the back to save the thickness. So you still can add a picture here. And a nice tag. Strawberries. So cute. Love it. Background, and this says too sweet. And it is. It is also sweet. Okay, and then this flips all back. Inside. And this closes down everything. So, yep, actually 2 pages. Some nice bow on the end, and here is a nice little heart at the end. So what do you think? 2 pages, but 2 very thick pages. Absolutely. Look at that, it's so thick. Super, super cute. What do you think? Strawberry Lane? Do you like it? Hope you like it. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And do you want to make it? I have a tutorial for you. This is called the Strawberry Lane single folio. There's also going to be a Strawberry Lane double folio. So keep it up. Lots to enjoy the tutorials. Alright, bye bye.